In an early sign of establishing harmony with the new US president and avoiding a trade war, the Indian government is ready to cooperate with Donald Trump's administration to identify and repatriate more than 18,000 Indians. This decision was made ahead of Indian External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar's meeting with newly appointed US Secretary of State Marco Rubio. Rubio has expressed a desire to improve economic relations with India and address concerns related to illegal immigration. Rubio chose his Indian counterpart for his first bilateral meeting, signaling that the Trump administration values strengthening ties with India. The two diplomats met at the Foggy Bottom headquarters of the US State Department, where Jaishankar discussed key issues with his American counterpart. Both top diplomats reaffirmed their strong commitment to further strengthening the India US partnership. Spokesperson Bruce stated that the discussions covered regional issues and deepening India US relations across a broad range of topics, particularly emerging technologies, defense cooperation, energy, and promoting a free and open Indo Pacific region. After the meeting, Jaishankar expressed his satisfaction on the social media platform X, stating that he was pleased to have his first bilateral meeting with Rubio since he took the office.